Well, big sound like top class, man.
A big sound, man, a top class sound.
Champion sound, champion sound, champion sound.
Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class.
Top class song, top class. No, busy this. No, busy straight up and answer. No, busy straight up. Lincoln Stout, straight up. Tell President.
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Tracks of life, oh yeah, yeah. Here I come again on my musical train. Here I come again on my musical train. A time to cry, yes, and a time to smile. A time to whine, yes, and a time to tracks of life with a whole lot of twisting and turning. Oh my God, yes, I know where I'm going. Won't be downhearted with life set below. I've tried my best, yes, to try this rugged road. Here I come again, yeah, on this musical train. Here I come again on this musical train. Go tell your friends the candy man is here. Here I come again on my musical train. Oh yeah. Whoa, yeah. Forget your weakness, forget your sorrow. Forget your sickness, for there's a brighter tomorrow. Don't need no money to get home. Don't need no ticket to save your soul. Moving through the tracks of life with a whole lot of twisting and turning.
Top class, champion sound, champion sound, champion sound, champion sound, champion sound.
Won't be downhearted with life set below. I've tried my best, yes, to try this rugged road. Here I come again, yes, on my musical train. Here I come again on my musical train. Go tell your friends the candy man is here. Here I come again on my musical train. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. The candy man is here. The candy man is here. I said on this musical train. Whoa, whoa,
class song. Top class. No, busy this. No, be straight up and out. No, be straight up and out. Be straight up and out. Be straight up and out. Lincoln Stout. Straight up. Tell the president.
Some steam, dance well nice, can't hold my queen. Cause I'm around the mic, just a nice up the scene. It's just all day and night, and I've been playing rubber dub. It's been all day and night, and I've been playing rubber dub. The rubber dub when this isn't just begun. And a rubber dub 2 say I'm on gun too. And a rubber dub 3 say me feel irate. And a rubber dub 4 say they want some more. And a rubber dub up and we keep the crowd alive.
Top class, top class sound, 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 top class sound.
At night, playing rubber dub which is dynamite. Oh yes, rubber dub it tonight. Alright, alright. It's been all day and night. I've been playing rubber dub. It's been all day and night, and I've been playing rubber dub. Sunday to Sunday we play rubber dub. In other country we play rubber dub. For the people in the city we make them happy. When we sing rubber dub in a fit and party, we give them in the street, give them in the lead. Parties are reggae music, say it come from the mean of a working pain. Hey, it's been all day and night, and I've been playing rubber dub. It's been all day and night, and I've been playing rubber dub.
Lincoln Stout in a real life, quaff them. But
Join yourself. This ain't heaven itself. Lock me behind the prison wall. Oh yeah. Think about and roach crawler. I've seen men begin slowly. I'm bowing for, and so I remember the days of penitentiary, when no one seemed to show no sympathy, and I wasn't looking for none. I remember the days of TV. Ooh-wee. The Christmas prayer was to be free. Lord, government said one complete, don't give me two. No. Tribulation we must pass through. And there is one thing I won't deny it. I'm
love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a ball, let me tell them something now.
Every said and lonely day. It's like a calling. Days of penitentiary.
The big sound, top class sound. Some serve them up in the top class.
Say we can't take the pressure, no way. We can't take the pressure no more. Hunger and war and just a rub shoulder to shoulder. Atomic explosion. Just around the corner, man start to heat, man already. Whoa. Watch it, my eye drink, stand steady, yeah. 'Cause we can't take the pressure, no way. We can't take the pressure, no way. Some of them are watch, some of them are pee. Some of them are backbite, and some of them are walk and teeth. Can't take the pressure, no way. Say we can't take the pressure, no way. In this perilous time, mankind should know themselves. If you're falling, brother, any way you can, build a better nation. On the line, 'cause we can't take the pressure, no way. Can't take the pressure, no way. Yeah. In this crucial time, you got to know where you stand. Don't wait till you're up against the wall before you call. Ease up the pressure, we can't take it no longer. Ease up the pressure, poor people that suffer. Can't take the pressure, no way. Hunger and war are up shoulder to shoulder. Atomic explosion is just around the corner. Can't take the pressure, no way.
Top class, jungle sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
Some are cha-cha, some of them are crying, some of them are done. Oh now, say that we can't take the pressure, no way. Can't take the pressure, no way. Oh no, they just a pressure we.
Lincoln Stout. In a real life, queft it. But
living in a material world. I love the flair and charisma that you share. Yeah, hope you will really wait my evening. See, I love you, really want you. I gotta have you onto myself, yeah. you, really, really love you. And I got to have you by myself. Love you, got to have you by myself. Oh, yeah.
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Material girl, living in a material world. And I really love you. I love you. I want you to understand. I'm referring to all these men. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage.
Top class, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Me can't walk as me like, me can't talk as me like, me can't sing as me like, no, me can't do as me like. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. But just the other night, I was coming from a party, and here comes a Jeep, drove down in front of me. As quick as it stopped, some men jump out, asking me some questions of things I know not about. Because I could not answer, they knocked me in my mouth. Suddenly I hear some people crying out. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, yeah. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, If them see I with a split, them said boy don't like it. Although it's against the law, them wouldn't even let me take the last straw. Them take me to jail, lock I down and give me no bail. So advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, yeah. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, advantage, Babylon them have us advantage, yeah. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. This is advantage. You can't get no privilege. This is advantage. You can't get no privilege. The mother under bandage, the father under bandage, the brothers under bandage, the sisters under bandage. Advantage.
Lincoln Stone. In a real life, question. But
look what is going on. People trying to understand.
You know, business. No, beat you up and out. 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 Lincoln Stone. Straight up. Self-president.
People trying to understand. I cannot bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stop into this, then go and get stronger. I cannot bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then go and get
love one him and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band, let me tell them something now.
Time to come. Didn't have no wicked intention at looting and shooting down anyone. Something happened I never expect. Police run down and beat me brethren next to that. When me see what I done, I never hesitate. Me have to jump on things just to escape. I can't bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this,
I'm here saying the big sound, top class sound.
It's a lucky thing.
Some say rough them up in the top class.
I went to Babylon, my mother shoot me down. I was saved by the Almighty, who always keep a watch over me. I can't bear it. Mount Zion is a holy place. Is a holy place.
Lincoln Stout.
Holy Mount Zion.
But
Holy Mount Zion is a holy place. Is a holy place. No sinners cannot enter there. Oh no, no sinners cannot enter there. Oh no, 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 I say you can't enter Zion. I say you can't enter Zion with the carnal mind, with the carnal mind. Your carnal mind it have to stay behind. Your carnal mind it have to stay behind. But you don't want no carnal mind in Zion, not in Zion. Holy Mount Zion, Holy Mount Zion is a holy place, is a holy place. No sinners cannot enter there. Oh no, no sinners cannot enter there. Oh no, oh no. I say you can't go to Zion with a limousine. I say your limousine I gonna need gasoline. It must have been run out of petrol. Hands on your heart it have been pure and clean. Your hands on your heart it have been pure and clean. To rally round your eyes golden green. To rally round your eyes golden green. In Mount Zion, in Mount Zion. Cause you can't go to Zion with the carnal mind. You can't go to Zion with the carnal mind. Your carnal mind it have to stay behind. In a Babylon, in a Babylon, in a Babylon.
Whoa now, in the east, in the west.
some say rough them up in the top class. Some say rough them up in the top class. Some say rough them up in the top class.
Oh yeah, calling out your people, calling out your children. Let us get together in this year Armageddon. Can't wait no longer, cause Babylon a put on the pressure. Hey, divide and rule, that's there too. But Rasta people, you know we not fool. Now you've been gay, bubble shanty, comb some dreadlocks, Orthodox, 12 tribes, even those of no denomination. As long as you're a part of your creation, you now bow down to Babylon. Keep the faith and hold on strong. calling all your people, calling all your children. Let us come together in this year Armageddon. Can't wait no longer, no longer. Babylon a put on the pressure. Hey, divide and rule, that's their tool. But Rasta people not play no fool. Hey, hey, unification. Oh yeah, righteousness must prevail. Where many other things you know has failed. Your love is the key to find your way. Trust in His mercies and do obey. True Rastaman, now fight against each other. Respect your elders, love your brothers and sisters. Calling all your children, I man come feel let off on you. Calling all your people, calling all your children. Let us get together in this year Armageddon. Can't wait no longer. Dirty Babylon a put on the pressure. Hey, divide and rule, you know that's their tool. But Rasta people, we not go play no fool. I have been there, Bobo chanting, quote some dreadlocks, all the thugs, dread tribes, even those of no denomination. As long as you're part of Judge's creation, now go down to Babylon. Keep the faith and hold on strong, the people. Yeah, unification.
One love, one aim, and I this huge jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Hey, hey, shout it out. Calling all your people, calling all your children. Let us get together in this year Armageddon.
Jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound.
As long as creation down to Babylon.
Well, big sound like top class, man.
What up? Top class, top class, top class, top class.
Well, big sound like top class, man.
one name and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a ball. Let me tell them something now.
Lincoln Stout in a real life, breath there. But
top class, no business, no beat straight up and out, beat straight up. Lincoln Stout, straight up, self president.
Move out of Babylon, Rastama, and leave all the wicked men. Move out of Babylon, Rastama, and leave all the wicked men. The wicked shall not prosper. Only righteous man shall stand. So keep on moving. Keep on moving. Rastaman, move on, move on. Rastaman, move on, move on. Oh, anything that you can do, dreadlocks can do with my love. So move up, Rastaman, move up the Babylon, and leave all the wicked men, all you backbiters, and all you backsliders. You shall not enter. You shall not enter in the kingdom of God, the Almighty. In the kingdom of God, the Almighty.
I'm here for the big sound top class. Some serve them up in the top class.
No riches cannot enter. No weedem cannot enter. Surrender your heart and not your garment. Make your Lord be your and you. Make your Lord be your and you. Move on top class.
When big sound like top class.
Move on top Babylon, Rastaman, and leave all the wicked men.
Like birds of one feather. The more we are together, together, together. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. For my friend is your friend, and your friend is my friend. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. What drop off a head, drop on shoulder. If it's not me, it's my sister, brother. Stick together like a birds of a feather. Take care of one another. Hands off my brother, don't hurt him, no. Don't harm my sister, better let her go. We all have the same father, so hurt one of us, hurt all of us too. The more we are together, together, together. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. For my friend is your friend, and your friend is my friend. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. We gotta stick together, like birds of one feather. Every day the fuss and fight, it's not right and just hide. Fight the good fight with all thy might, and let us unite. Reason together, have fun together, work it out together. Try to live better. Don't badmouth my brother, don't wish him bad. If ever he makes it, you should be glad. Yes, oh, we are together, together, together. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. Cause my friend is your friend, and your friend is my friend. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. It's what? Drop off a head, drop on shoulder. If it's not me, it's my sister, brother. Stick together like a birds of one feather. Take care of one another. Hands off my brother, don't hurt him, no. Take it out. No harm, my sister, better let her go. We all have the same Father, so one of us hurt all of us too. Cause the more we are together, the more we are together, the happier we shall be. Cause my friend is your friend, and your friend is my friend. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. You ever did a fuss and fight? It's not right in the sight. Fight the good fight with all thy might, and let us unite. Reason together, have fun together, work it out together, try to live better. Don't badmouth my brother, don't wish him bad. If ever he makes it, you should be glad. Let's stick together, like birds of one feather. Unity is strength, unity is strength. Oh God. Material go, material go. Oh yeah. I love this little girl, she was so pretty. I tried all my best, make her happy. Now she's gone, run off from me. She says she want to be free. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. Diamonds and pearl, affection for a man come second or third. Somehow the light in her house gone dim. She gone from the wrong hustling. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. If that's what you want, have it your way. Yeah, I'm letting you go. See you some other day. Cause memories don't live like people. They go away and come back to you. Instead of me mixing up in one, I let you pass along. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. Material girl, living a material world. I must rejoice, I will never be unhappy again. No, Jah is the only one who can solve my problems.
Lincoln
I will never be unhappy
in a real life question. But
I must rejoice, I will never be unhappy again. No, Jah is the only one who can solve my problems. I will never be unhappy again. No, my faith is now strong enough, it can move a mountain. Yeah, I was sad and depressed, as if I was getting out of my mind, until I found the way to righteousness. Seek and you shall find. When your living is clean and your heart is pure, oh what a wonderful feeling. But if you're living unclean, you will be insecure, wondering. I will never be unhappy again. No, Jah is the only one who can solve my problems. All my problems. I will never be unhappy again. No, my faith is now strong enough, it can move a mountain. Aye, aye, aye. Why must I be in misery with no hopes and happiness? How can you mentally set yourself free if every day you're living in sadness? I will never give up on my life. I will cherish it forever. It is sweeter than sugar and spice. I will never be unhappy again. No, Jah
is the only one who can solve my problems. I will never be unhappy again. My faith is now strong enough it can move a mountain. I will never give it up. No, never give up on my life.
What up? Top class, top class, top class, top class.
Well, big song like Top Class.
Give it up, give it up. Never give up on my life. No, no, no. I was sad and depressed, as if I was getting out of my mind, until I found the way to righteousness. Seek and you shall find. When your living is clean and your heart is pure, oh what a wonderful feeling. But if your life is unclean, you will be insecure, wondering. I will never be unhappy again. Yeah, Jah is the only one who can solve my problems.
Hallelujah. Giving honor to the King. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. Yeah.
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band, let me tell them something now.
Hallelujah. Giving honor to the King. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. Yeah. And everything that live within. Ooh. But none was found worthy. Everyone was living in sin. You've got to clean up your life from deep within. Singing glory, 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 glory. Hallelujah. Giving honor to the King of Kings. Glory, 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 glory. Hallelujah. Praising Jah from deep within. Some people think life is just for living, so they go on using and abusing, never giving but always receiving. Yeah, yeah. But the world is a stage, and everyone's got their part to play. You got to clean up your life right away. Singing glory, 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 glory. Hallelujah. Giving honor to the King, the King of Kings. Glory, 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 glory. Hallelujah.
Top class, jumping sound, top class, top class, top class, top class, top class.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, you shouldn't fuss, we should never fight. We'd be much stronger if we all unite. Living in love and unity, yeah. And then another baby cry. After that another youth man dies. And all the people kneel down and pray, singing glory, 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 glory. Hallelujah. Giving honor to the King, the King of Kings. Glory, 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 glory. Hallelujah. Praising Jah from deep within. Ooh. Na, na, na.
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band, let me tell them something now.
Lincoln Stone. In a real life, president. But
Top class song, top class. No, busy this. No, busy straight up in answer. Lincoln stop, straight up. Tell president.
class, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound.
Some serve them up in a top class. Some serve them up in a top class. Some serve them up in a top class.
Everywhere, my gosh. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Man and man, it's time to make peace. So throw away your guns, your ratchet and your bombs. My gosh. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Sound of the gun echoes everywhere. The coming of Jah, you know it's near. My gosh. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Cool it. Man, cool. Cool it. Man, put down your tool. Put down your tool. Shot a liquor east, shot a liquor west. What a agony, pain and distress. My gosh. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Murder on the block, another man get shot. I wonder who do that. My gosh. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat.
Lincoln Stone.
Cool down the heat.
In a real life, quef them.
Black killing blacks on a daily basis. Bloody, 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 bloody warfare. The sound of the gun echoes everywhere. My gosh. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Cool down the heat. Throw away your guns, your ratchet
Top
and your
class,
bombs.
top class sound,
Man,
top class sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
man, cool down the heat. Cool down the heat, Lord. The sound of the gun.
To get the guns you want out of the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A Glock, a Magnum and a rusty M3. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. 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 What is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? Tell us the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam.
Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Few days more to get the guns you want out of the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A Glock, a Magnum and a rusty M3. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. 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 What is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? We go tell you the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam. Pam-pam, lick a shot out of the rap-a-pam-pam. And you get trapper to the rap-a-pam-pam. One gonna prison to the rap-a-pam-pam. One a serve life sentence to the rap-a-pam-pam. When Santa come to town with long gun in a man, tell me Santa Claus where you a teach youth man. Give him a guitar and a mic in him. Make him go nice up stage show and make dance jam. And growing in this world as a big musician. And trad all over the globe and chant Rasta song. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? First day of Christmas, get what Santa bring for me? A Glock, a Magnum and a rusty M3. Tell him must ya tell me if he go shot somebody.
Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class.
Him not go make the liar get no money. Him not go really take care of my family. Me no want no rap-a-pam-pam. Me no want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam. Me no want no rap-a-pam-pam. What is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? Me go tell you the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam. Pam-pam. Lick a shot out of the rap-a-pam-pam.
My your mouth. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spread propaganda from we. One bad lamb from we. Spread propaganda from we. Telling all kind of lies. If a man get caught down in the lane, whoa, whoa. Sure to hear somebody say, I have to play. Whoa, whoa. If a man get down in the lane, oh now, sure to hear somebody say, I am to blame. But believe me now, they must spread propaganda for we. One bad lamb for we. Spread propaganda for we. Telling all kind of lies. But if your hand is into the lion's mouth, oh gosh, I beg you take your time and draw it out. Oh, oh. If your hand is into the lion's mouth, oh gosh, I beg you take your time and draw it out. Oh, oh. You must spread propaganda for me. Oh, one bad lamb for we. Spread propaganda for me. Oh, telling all kind of lies. But if night should ever turn into day, oh, oh, see the whole lot of them just couldn't stay. They'll have to run away if night should ever turn into
What up?
day.
Top class, top class, top
I see
class.
the whole lot of
Well, big sound like top class,
just couldn't stay. They'll have to run away. They must spread propaganda for we. Oh, one bad lamb for we. Spread propaganda for we. Trying to keep us now. Now listen if that fish did keep his mouth shut. Whoa, oh, said he wouldn't end up as food. Down somebody somebody say I am to blame. Oh, oh. If a man get fall down in the lane, oh gosh, should you hear somebody say I am to blame? But believe me.
Shalimani, 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 shalimani. Shalimani, 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 shalimani. None shall escape the judgment in this time. These words I sing to all mankind. None shall escape the judgment in this time. These words
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band, let me tell them something now.
Some syrup come up in the top class.
As I approach the gates of Zion, I can hear the choir singing.
class song. No, busy this. Straight up and out. Lincoln start. Straight up. Tell President.
None shall escape the judgment in this time. These words I sing to all mankind. None shall escape the judgment in this time. These words I sing to all mankind.
Aya we there, answer this I want to
Alright, I dance all day.
journalists have to write it. Them have to confess it. Robert dog them have to get it. Hey, I dance all we day. We just a rock reggae. A London we day. We just a jump reggae. A jam down we day. A foreign land we a go sir. A dance all we day. We just a jam down there. Reggae for you and a reggae for me. A reggae make it feel like real. A dance all we day. We just a rock reggae. A England reggae.
Top class, top class sound, 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 top class sound.
The people they must say, reggae music it's on its way. Hey, jam down we day, a jam down we day sound.
One love, one aim and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
International reggae music, international.
Lincoln Stone in a real life, question. But
every man do his thing a little way different. Every man do his thing a little way different. The things you do it in a different way from me. The things I do it in a different way from you. Every man do his thing a little way different. No man be what color or creed that he may be. So don't watch mine. No, 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 no. Every man do his thing a little way different. Every man do his thing a little way different. The things you do it in a different way from me. The things I do it in a different way from you. Every man do his thing a little way different. No man be what color or creed that he may be. So don't watch mine. No, 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 no. Mama said you take it easy and slow, and don't you fall under the money.
Top class, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
You ain't got no friend.
One love, one aim and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
My mama said you take it easy and slow, and don't you fall under the money. Life can be funny, but there's no money. You ain't got no friend, and you be lonely, tired and lonely, no one to lend. Life can be funny, never leave for the blessing of His Majesty. Yes, that can be funny. There goes my baby in the arms of another man. You say you love me, and there's no other, but right now I can't understand why. That can be funny. There goes my baby in the arms of another man. You say you love me, and there's no other, but right now I can't understand why you wanna leave. You're only love a man. Why you wanna leave? Oh baby, I can't understand. For another man. Oh baby, I just can't understand. My mama said to take it easy and slow. Don't you know what I get down? That can be funny, but I'm just money. You ain't like no friend. Yeah, yeah. And you know me. That can be funny when there's no money. You ain't got no friend. Then you'll be lonely, tired and lonely, no one to live. That can be funny when there's no money. You ain't got no friend. Then you'll be lonely, tired and lonely, no one to live. You gotta live for another day. You better live to get the blessing of His Majesty. Why you wanna live for another day?
Top class, jumping sound, top class 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 sound.
Lincoln Stout. In a real life, quaff them. But
oh no, one of them could have phoned me and show it decency. And me good and bad looking, and police come hold me and carry me down and keep me. They don't have no sympathy and me nah walk. Oh no, me nah talk. Oh no. Oh no, me not tiring. Oh no, I am a runaway man. Oh yeah, I am a mystic man. Oh yeah, oh oh, a runaway man. Oh yeah, a mystic man. Oh yeah, in a wife, in a no bad wife, I see it. Oh no, me not die. In a no bad wife, I see it. Oh no, in a linger, in a no bad wife I see. Oh no, one of them could have borne me and show it is safety. And me could have my looking, and police don't hold me and got me down my deep, and got me down my deep. I wanna away man. I am a mystic man. Oh yeah, oh oh, I wanna way man. I'm mystic man. Me really know I'm really not dark. Me really not linger. Now gonna test the mania. Me not back in a no bad vibe casino. Now linger in a no bad vibe casino. Me nah linger in no bad wife casino. Me good and bad luck here. And police come hold me
Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class.
Never give it up, never give it up. Can you? Can you? Never give it up, never give it up. Waiting for Jah to fill I cup. Cause it seems like this love I have for Jah, I just can't get enough.
Top class, jumping sound, top class sound, top class sound, top class sound.
And so the world can see the words and works of I. Yes, they keep on living in their illusion, thinking that one day great God will come from the sky. It's a mix-up world of love confusion, and all I see that's happening is religion against religion. Can you feel it? Feel the power vested in I by Jaja. Oh, Jaja, the Most High. Can you feel it? Feel the vibes that's moving through my bones. Hey, it must be the Most High. Well, no more of their whole brainwash education. Cause all I see they're building is more prisons, churches and stations, not trying to unite the people under one accord. Yet they're giving them the Bible to call upon the name of the Lord. But can you feel it? Feel the power vested in I by Jaja. Oh, Jaja, the Most High. Can you feel it? Feel the vibes and moving through eyeballs. Oh, it must be the Most High. No stick, no stone, can't break eyeballs. Please tell those on farmers to leave Rasta business alone. I won't bow down in a rhino's alone. A strictly conscious.
Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class.
Feel the power vested in I by Jaja. Oh, Jaja, the Most High. Can you feel it? Feel the vibes that's moving through eyeballs.
Lincoln Stout. In a real life, question. But
Jaja, the Most High, I say, whoa, Jaja, sweet Jaja, the Most High, I say, I'm waiting for Jah to fill I cup. Cause this love I have for Jaja seems I just can't get enough. I'm waiting for Jah to lift I up. So that all the world can see the words and works of I. Can you feel it? Feel the power vested in I by Jaja. Lord, oh yeah. Hey, poor people, Lord, they will feel the pressure. Can't you see? Poor people, Lord, they will feel the pain. Poor people, Lord, they will feel the pressure. Hey, poor people, Lord, they will feel the pain. Down in the ghetto, life no easy. Everyday people are dead for hungry. The youth them not unite. Only thing them think is to fuss and fight. I'm calling on the young brothers
pressure. Hey, oh people, Lord, them a feel the pain. I'm calling on the young brother to help us see situation. Cause we're fighting a losing battle against hunger and starvation. Hey, baby mother have 100 children. Yes, she can't support all of them. Cause problem here and problem there and problem everywhere. I'm calling out the young brothers to help us see situation. Cause we're fighting this losing battle against hunger and starvation. For people, Lord, them a feel the pressure. Lord, for people, Lord, them a feel the pain. For people, Lord, them a feel the pressure. Lord, for people, Lord, them a feel the pain. Don't need to get to you, life no easy. Everyday people are dead for hungry. The youth them now unite. Them only think to fight against them one another. But I'm calling out to your brothers, you better change your attitude. I'm calling out the young sisters, if you don't, you bound to lose. If you don't, you bound to for people, Lord, them a feel the pressure. Hey, for people, Lord, them a feel the pain. For people, Lord, them a
Top
feel
class,
the pressure.
jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound, jumping sound.
Fire burn, the wicked can't run. Fire burn.
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a ball, let me tell them something now.
Fire burn, the wicked can't run. Fire burn, eh. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the lightning and thunder. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the brimstone and fire. They don't want to give back some praise. Oh, Jah, for what you have done. Look at the beautiful stars. Look at the moon and the sun. Which man on earth have the power to do what I can do? They're trying, but they won't get through. So I say, chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the lightning and thunder. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the brimstone and fire. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the lightning and thunder. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the brimstone and fire.
Lincoln Stone.
They refuse to worship the Father
In a real life,
that's to go and worship vanity. But it's coming, it's near at hand. What a day that will be. On the day every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess. Happiness shall be with those who Jah plays. So I say, chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the lightning and thunder. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the brimstone and fire. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the lightning and thunder. Chase them, Jah, we are gonna chase them. Chase them with the brimstone and fire. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fire burn. and earth have the power to do what I can do. They're trying, but they won't get through. So I say, chase them down, we are gonna chase them.
Tell them where the Babylon them get free. I should them build them AIDS. Now the AIDS just a mash up the place. Watch out! Babylon get frayed. Them can't find no cure for them AIDS. And then why they're not pleased? People start to say, man,
champion sound.
Babylon get frayed. Them can't find no cure for them AIDS. And then why they're not pleased? People start to say a man-made disease. Said all the call we call and it's a government. Them sitting and a keep silent. Them said them search and them search till them can't search no more. And all I know them just can't find no cure. So them afraid. Them can't find no cure for them AIDS. And why they're not released? People start to say a man-made disease. But in these last and few days of judgment, there'll be a lot of plagues and pestilence, like in the days of Sodom and Gomorrah. Enough of them out there now live to see tomorrow. That's why them afraid. Them can't find no cure for them AIDS. And why they're not released? People start to say a man-made disease. Babylon get afraid. Can't find no cure for them AIDS. And then why they're not released? People start to say a man-made disease. Well, I'm a calling on the ones in America. Calling all the leaders in Russia, in England, France and Canada. I'm a calling all the leaders in Jamaica. Calling all the leaders in Antigua, in Trinidad, even Barbados. Love for you. Hey, Babylon get free. And can't find no cure for them AIDS. And why they're not released? People start to say a man-made disease. Babylon get free. Can't find no cure for them AIDS. And then why they're not released? People start to say a man-made disease. Some say AIDS was made with one intention, just to control the rising population. But now them build them things and it get out of hand. Turn around and kill them same one, them get free. Can't find no cure for them AIDS. And then why they're not released? People start to say a man-made disease. City Babylon,
Lincoln Stone. In a real life, but some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class. Some say rough them up in a top class.
They said them search and them search till them can't search no more. And all I know them can't find no cure. Said them free. They can't find no cure for them AIDS. And then why they're not released? So say I'm not
Get a youth of best down in the ghetto where the rude boys live. The rude boys live. Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. If they had a chance, they would give you the world. I know they would give it to you, boys and girls. It's not my intention to sound ridiculous. Get the youths of the best, I'll say nothing less. Down in the ghetto where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. They are the ones you pass on the road every day. When they try to be friendly, you say no way. Little did you know that in the future, that same ghetto you'd come turn big time. Down in the ghetto where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. You see that one day, him say him have no ambition. Him a tell me say him a certified technician. See him friend day, him say no worry nor fret. Him graduate, him get him doctorate. Those are the youths I am talking about. Non-progressive element, me say stop run up your mouth. Those are the youths I am talking about. Non-progressive element, say that you are past the doubt. Down in the ghetto where the rude boys live,
Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give, nothing to give, nothing to give. Some of our heart full of love, nothing to give. They are the ones you pass on the road every day. When they try to be friendly, you said no way. Little did you know that in the future, that same ghetto you'd come turn big time. Down in Bugatti, oh, where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. If they had a chance, they would give you the world. I know they would give it to you, boys and girls. It's not my intention to sound ridiculous. Ghetto youths are the best, I'll say nothing less. Down in Bugatti, oh, where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. You see that one day, him say him have no ambition. Him a tell me say him a certified technician. See him friend day, him say no worry nor fret. Him graduate, him get him doctorate. Those are the youths I am talking about. Non-progressive element, me say stop run up your mouth. Those are the youths I am talking about. Non-progressive element, say that you walk across the doubt. Down in the ghetto, oh, where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. Some of our heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. They are the ones you pass on the road every day. When they try to be friendly, you said no way. Little did you know that in the future, that same ghetto you come turn big time. Down in the ghetto, oh, where the rude boys live.
One love, one human, 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Word up, yeah. Hey. Almighty Father, let my days be longer, for the mouth of the wicked is down on me. They have got to do better, always and forever. Almighty Father, hear my plea. Yes, the enemies are coming over the mountain. They all are trying to get the better of me. Well, they can't be winners. They all have got to be losers. Let them all be ashamed and fall off their souls.
Top class, champion sound, top class 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 sound.
Oh Lord of hosts, guide me from the coast to coast. Oh, mighty Father, yes. Oh Lord of hosts, take me from post to post. Oh well, yeah. Word up, word up. Oh well, said they have no pity, although they're not living in the city. Hey. 2,000 miles away from home. Yes, hate is in their hearts. For my love, they say that is my reward. I know you won't stand and make them win. No, no, no. Oh no, they're not soldiers. They're like rubbish heap with that holders. Oh Lord God Almighty, hear my plea. Well, they're coming at me undercover. Yes, trying to say they're my brothers. But even a told you touch, then I will know that they're my enemies. Whoa, Father, yes now. Almighty one of hosts. Well, whoa, Father, and now, Almighty one of hosts.
make some space for my brother. Small up yourself in the seat, make some space for my sister. A whole heap and we get stranded here in the land of the wicked. A whole heap of time got wasted in this strange land that we hated. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Aye, 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 aye. Oh yeah, aye. Sitting in that wine. Sitting in that wine. Aye, 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 aye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, aye. Once in a lifetime voyage, happy to escape this your bondage. One way ticket, there's no stoppage. So finger with the excess luggage. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, Ethiopian children, we going on a mission. Forward to the east, that's where we came from. Oh yes, Ethiopian children, we going on a mission. To the east, that's where we came from. Ethiopian children going on Jamaican. Ethiopian children going on Jamaican. So smile up yourself in other place, make some space for your brothers. Smile up yourself in other place, make some space for your sisters. Oh yeah, oh yeah, hey. A whole heap of wicked got stranded here in the land of the wicked. A whole heap of time got wasted in a strange land that we hated. Oh yeah, oh yes, oh yeah, oh yes, hey. Ethiopian children, we going on a mission.
One love, one aim, and 92 jobless, no man can curse. Lincoln kick it well like a band. Let me tell them something now.
Some serve them up in a top class. Some serve them up in a top class. Some serve them up in a top class.
Give a little, love a little, let your heart be pure and true. Give a little, love a little.
Top class, champion sound, top class, top class, top class.
It's not every day gonna be the same old way. There must be a change, some way, somehow. Don't you be selfish, don't live for yourself alone. You should be free-hearted, and you'll never be alone. Cause in this time you've got to leave a bride. Teach the youth not to fuss, no fight. Give a little, love a little, let your heart be pure and true. Give a little, love a little, let your heart be pure and clean. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It's better to give than to receive. Give an helping hand to those in need. Just be good and you'll believe. Yeah. To give a little, love a little, let your heart be pure and clean. What y'all, what y'all, what y'all, what y'all. Ooh, yeah. A friend in need is a friend in need. It's better to eat than love a little. Let your heart be pure and clean. What y'all, what y'all. What y'all, ooh, yeah. It's not every day it's gonna be the same way. There must be a change. Oh, little youth man, yeah. Every day is just a fuss. Every day is just a fuss. It's time you stop fighting your brother. Full time now you start loving each other. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Boy, leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Yeah, every day is just pure backbite. Some are hypocrites and some are parasites. Get up in the morning with war on their mind. No peace, no joy, no love they can find. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Yeah, leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Oh, Jah is not for just one man. Jah is for everyone. The world is big enough for everyone, and still yet man, I run competition. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Boy, leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Yeah, leave the youth, man, now. Boy, yeah. Every day just pure backbite. Some are hypocrites and some are parasites. Get up in the morning with war on their mind. No peace, no joy, no love they can find. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Why? Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Yeah. Every day is just a fuss. Every day is just a fuss. It's time you stop fighting your brother. Full time now you start loving each other. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Yeah. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Boy, and Jah is not for just one man. Jah is for everyone. The world is big enough for everyone. Still yet, man, I run competition. Leave the youth, man, let them prosper. Yeah. You had your chance, you'll never make it. No, leave the youth, man, now. Why? Let them prosper. Yeah, leave the youth, man, now. And let them prosper. Oh, yeah. Every day is just a fuss and a fight.
I've got to praise Jah all the day of my life. He's the one that I look away when the wicked come to beat up my flesh. They stumble and they fail. That's why I love Jah. He will see you through. Love Jah. He will guide you through. Yes, love Jah. He will see you through. Yes, love Jah. He will bless you. Yes, I want you to tell your friend, generation to generation. What does it profit a brethren to say? He's begging for a grain of corn. When in the time of plenty, there would be no for everyone. You got to know yourself, mankind. Get yourself straight, don't be wrong. Love Jah, He will see you. Jah Jah, He will guide you, yes. Lord Jah Jah, He will see you through, yes. Lord Jah Jah, He will bless you, yes. I want you to know, I could over evil, the things that you sow, it you gonna reap. Why and when you plant and you grow, and the seed what you sow, and when you plant and you grow, and the seed what you sow. I've got to praise Jah all the day of my life. He's the one that has the power. Yes, I will praise of Jah Jah, all the things that He has done for us. I man always give thanks unto the Almighty One. Lord Jah Jah, He will see you through. Yeah. Lord Jah Jah, He will guide you. Yes. Lord Jah Jah, He will see you through. Lord Jah Jah, He will guide you. Yes. I've got to give thanks and praise unto Jah Jah every day. He's the one that guides me and protect me along the narrow way. I've got to give thanks and praise to Jah Jah every day. So the Eden could never lead I astray. Lord Jah Jah, and He will see you.
Some serve them up in a top class. Some serve them up in a top class. Some serve them up in a top class.
Top class, champion sound, 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 champion sound.